Welcome back to the Idaho Panhandlers. My name's Danny, and here we do things that we don't really know how to do, and that is the case of today. But we're learning, baby. Today we're building a fence. So, kind of repositioning the camera here, but way kind of over here where you can see a little bit of sunlight, we plan on building a fully enclosed garden. It is April right now. It is gardening season. It's time to plant, and we don't have it built. But what we have here is we have our bucket garden set up, and that is kind of what we're using to plant some veggies this year. And for it, we need to build a little temporary fence, and that's kind of what we're doing today. So I'm planning on building a 10-foot by 10-foot welded wire fence with T-posts. Never done it before, but the concept seems pretty easy. We bought some posts, we bought a post pounder, and we're just gonna hammer them into the ground and make a little enclosure for our garden so the deer can't eat our veggies. So that is what we're doing. Rookie building a welded wire fence. All of this cost, I think, like right around 170 bucks at North 40. If you guys enjoyed the video, be sure to leave a thumbs up on it, comment down below, subscribe to the Idaho Panhandlers, and let's build a fence. Yeah. I realized that I probably shouldn't build it and then try to put this in. So we should probably build the fence around it. Yeah. Just a little part. You're like snuggling your toes. Okay, probably good, yeah?
Well, I think so. Not much happening. Oh! Well, I'm like super far off this time. 165 and a half.
Okay, so let's go to this one. You want to just pound one at a time?
Sure.
Okay.
I need the pounder though. So now, take this thing out. Bloop.
Yep.
Ugh. Ready?
Yep. I'm too short. Yeah. Hit it. Okay, so all of our T-posts are in, all 8 of them. Not very straight, but Tessa did a great job. Like I said, super temporary fence, and we've never done this before, and I don't know if we'd make great ranch hands, so we're definitely no Duttons. So next we're gonna stretch the wire around it and just kind of enclose it, tie it off with zip ties, and all good. Okay. Yeah, bud. No, thank you.
Wow. That's... Here it goes.
And just like that, we've got a fence. I'll tell you what, guys, this thing's not perfect. Our posts are a little bit crooked. Our measurements were a little bit off because we hit some boulders. It's like not even going. I can, oh, there's like a boulder under there. Daggone it. In our ground because this is a super rocky area. But, you know, we got it up, we stretched the fence, and for our first time, it actually didn't come out too bad, so I'm pretty happy with how it came out. Like I mentioned at the beginning of the video, this thing is super temporary. We're planning on building a fully enclosed, really nice garden area, hopefully for next year, but this whole thing is going to get us started, and at least we can grow a nice garden here inside this little enclosed fence. So I'm looking forward to getting to it, but hopefully the next video will be us actually beginning to plant our gardens. So we've got a lot of content coming up. So I hope that you guys at least enjoyed this video, kind of comical, a little bit entertaining. And if you gained any inspiration to build a super easy temporary fence like we did, be sure to leave a thumbs up on this video, comment down below, and subscribe to the Idaho Panhandlers. We will see you on the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching.